Our problem statement is enrollment in our government college has been steadily declining, but this isn't a story about a drop in education quality. It's the story of a system, a wide failure in guidance, a lack of critical information that is leaving students disconnected, and our best public institutions invisible. The problems we are addressing are the awareness gap among students. Students and parents, particularly in non-urban areas, are simply unaware of the spectrum of courses, scholarships, and career paths available through government colleges, which often leads to course blindness, geographic limitations, and scholarship invisibility among students. The second problem we will be addressing is the demystifying thoughts among students. We are not just fighting against the lack of data, we are fighting against years of social conditioning, pervasive myths, and genuine fear among students. We dismantle the private is betterment. Decades of aggressive market have embedded the false narrative that high fees equals to high quality. The perception pushes families to make immense financial sacrifices for private institutions that often offer a lower rate on investment than the government counterparts. The third problem we will be addressing is the college information and visibility. Government colleges lack proper online presence, making it hard for students to know about the admission dates and facilities and updates. We will be addressing it by giving verified and updated data on courses, fees, facilities, and admission timelines. Compare college features for better decision making. The fourth problem we will be addressing is the career counseling gap among students. Students and parents often take random courses without knowing whether it fits their skills, interests, or future goals. About the innovation and uniqueness of the app. AI-driven personalization. Every student has different interests, skills, and financial backgrounds. Our app uses AI to suggest best fit government colleges and courses based on student profile by taking a psychological aptitude test. Offline approach. Especially in rural areas, there is an internet connectivity issue. Our app allows downloading information once and accessing it offline anytime. Hyper-localized focus. Unlike generic college portals, our app focuses on regional needs. You can view the details of any state government college and the information in our platform. Data accuracy and continuous updation. Information is directly sourced from official government portals and verified colleges. Regular updates ensure students don't miss deadlines, policy changes, or new opportunities. In-app notifications for admission days, counseling rounds, and scholarship launches.
Now I will tell you the technical architecture of Badly, which is engineered to be a modern, scalable, and highly responsive platform, leveraging a serverless first approach to ensure rapid development and reliable performance. This methodology is designed to support a complex, data-driven user journey while maintaining a seamless and intuitive user experience. So, the selection of our core technology stack was driven by the need for robust performance, type safety, development speed, and scalability, embracing a modern JavaScript-centric ecosystem. The front end of our application is built with React.js, leveraging the power of TypeScript for type safety and Tailwind CSS for utility-first, highly customizable design system. The combination allows for the creation of a fast, accessible, and maintainable single-page application that provide rich, interactive experience for students. Now, if we talk about backend, we are utilizing Superbus as our backend as a service. This strategic choice provides a complete all-in-one backend solution built on open source technologies. Supabase provisions a dedicated PostgreSQL database which is renowned for its robustness and powerful querying capabilities essential for handling complex educational and user database. In addition, Supabase provides built-in authentication, object storage, and real-time capabilities out of the box. And for deployment, obviously, we use Netlify, a leading platform for modern web application that offers seamless continuous integration and deployment directly from our Git repository. Now I will tell you about the user flow. How will the user perform tasks when he first launches our app or web? The user's journey begins on the React frontend. A simple multi-step form captures essential data like location, academic stream, which is securely sent to our Superbase backend and stored in the PostgreSQL database. User authentication is handled entirely through Superbase authentication. Then comes our psychometric analysis. The aptitude test is delivered through an interactive React component. The text logic and scoring can be handled client side for intermediate feedback and processed via a serverless function. For more, results are stored against the user profile in the database. And then comes our AI recommendation engine. This is the core of our platform logic. The user profile, and aptitude results are processed by our recommendation models. These complex algorithms are deployed as supervised edge functions. This serverless approach allows us to run computationally intensive tasks without managing server infrastructure, ensuring scalability and cost efficiency. The engine queries the PostgreSQL database for relevant career college data to generate a personalized list of recommendations. Then comes our career flowchart and college discovery. The recommendations are sent back to the real client and visualized as an interactive career flowchart. When a student explores colleges, the front end makes API calls to another serverless function that performs an query on our PostgreSQL database. This returns a real-time list of nearby colleges. Then comes our data hub and comparison. Detailed comparison for each college, including cutoff facilities and ROI, is stored in our PostgreSQL database. The comparison tool is a stateful React component that allows user to select multiple colleges and view their attributes in a side-by-side table. Then comes our timeline and notification tracker. When a student favorites a college, it triggers in our Superbase backend, populates a timeline table in the database with relevant deadlines. Then comes our admin panel and analytics feature. A separate secure React application serves as the admin panel. It interacts directly with the Supabase backend, allowing our team to manage and verify the data in the PostgreSQL database. An integrated analytics dashboard uses data from our database to visualize users' engagement trend, helping us continuously improve the platform.
My name is Sonal Singh and I'm the research lead in Code Moses. We have made the app highly feasible in technical, operational, and economical aspect. In technical aspect, the proposed technology stack consists of mature, widely supported and scalable technologies. In operational aspect, the implementation strategy lies in collaboration with Government Education Department, which is achievable. In economical aspect, development and maintenance costs are relatively low compared to physical infrastructure project. We do have proposed challenges and risks like data accuracy, user adoption, and digital literacy. But we've also thought about the strategies to overcome these challenges. For data accuracy, we have thought about forging official partnership with State Education Department for reliable automated data needs. For user adoption, we will launch the targeted outreach campaigns through payment schools, through government schools, teachers, and local NGOs. For digital literacy, we have designed an extremely simple icon-based UI with multilingual support and video tutorials.
Now talk about the impacts and benefits of our project. The potential impact on target audience are: it empowers the students to make informed and confident decisions about their futures, reducing the confusions and the anxieties. It increases the access to reliable, localized, and free career guidance for students from all economic backgrounds. And the very most important is it reduces the dropout rates by showing students a clear path forward. Now we will talk about the benefits of the solutions in social work. It significantly improves the enrollment in government degree colleges, creates a more equitable education landscape. It strengthens the public perceptions of government colleges. Now the economic benefits of the solution. It helps to develop a skilled workforce that is better aligned with market demands. It prevents the students from investing in low quality, high quality private institutions. It maximizes the utilizations of public educational resources.